So yan guys, nandito na kami sa Delma Park ni Rahad. So first time ko nakapag-visit dito. Ayan guys, so meron silang parang rock climbing, parang ganun. Rock climbing, ayan. So yung mga bata yan, may playground. Naglalaro sila rito guys. So it's 7:30 in the evening na rito guys. So medyo mainit. Tapos ito meron silang for jogging track, and there's a machine for exercising guys dito. Ayan pwede ka rito mag-exercise, so pwede mo i-workout. You can work out here your shoulder, your chest. Yeah, see guys, it's for free, no need to go to gym. When you have time, try to visit here in Delma Park, Abu Dhabi. So guys, too many people walking here, enjoying. Even the weather now, it's really hot. And so yan guys, kailangan natin magpapawis para at least healthy living ba guys. Yan, we need to do workout. So pawis na ako guys. Ang init, pawis na. So Rahad is there. Okay ate, you take care. Next time ulit ate. I will follow you in TikTok ate.
Ipaano mo, ipasend mo sa...
Sige te. Opo. Ingat kayo dyan te ha, ingat kayo dyan. And let's chat again soon. Pag may time. So guys, may table tennis sila rito. Ayan, nagta-table tennis sila. May basketball court. So mostly mga Pinoy yung naglalaro ng basketball dito sa may area na to. Baka nandito pa yung mga katrabaho ko. Makita nila ako dito. So yan guys, a lot of people here coming. Different nationalities, Arabic, Pakistan, Indian, Nepal. So what else we can see here? We can sit there, no? On that side. Yeah? Let's sit, let's have a sit. There's no restaurant here. We can buy something.
Okay. But maybe expensive.
Really?
Yeah. We eat at that area, na? When we go back. You are angry?
No, not yet. Because we can sit here.
Yeah.
So guys, meron din silang relaxing couch here, table. Ayan. So upo muna kami ni Rahad since still early. Pahinga muna kami ni Rahad. Nagpahinga muna kami rito sa may Delma Park. Ayan. So first time ko napunta rito. Sobrang init guys. Pawis na ako. So okay lang din kasi nakapaglakad-lakad. So later uwi na rin ako mga around 9 o'clock I think. So today is my off, so we find time to go out with my friend from Pakistan, Rahad. Say
bye everyone.
May po ako, YouTube channel po ako, kabayan. Leo Recacho. Opo. Leo Recacho. Leo Recacho. Opo. Isesend po ni Rahad yung type
Yeah, your channel put in my profile.
Yeah.
Because I have much followers.
Recacho. R-E-C-A-C-H-O. Yeah.
Thank you, Kamar bro. Kamar Paji, thank you so much. See, I'm when I have 50 coins.
Okay. Where are you from, Kuya? Also from Pakistan? India? Kuya is from?
Also, I think Pakistan.
Why you remove?
No, he don't want to more play. Thank you, Kamar.
Si ate taga saan? Ate, hello po. Kamusta po dyan?
आज दोस्त आया था तो vlogger है vlogger है
Si ate sa Vietnam. Ay, maganda rin dyan ngayon. Marami ring tourist destination dyan. Sa Vietnam.
व्लॉग बनांदा मेरे नाल ना रल के आए दे बाहर व्लॉग बनाने वास्ते
So guys, sorry naka-live kasi si Rahad. So, yun, kailangan ko participate dun sa kanyang live, online live.
तो व्लॉग बनांदा
Ayun. So, ikakat ko muna guys. Mamaya pakita ko sa inyo yung ibang area dito sa may Delma Park. So, muna kami, live muna kami ni Rahad. So, hopefully guys, kahit medyo madilim na, ma-enjoy niyo yung panunod ng aking vlog kasi medyo ginabi na ako ng pasyal kasi nga sobrang init pag tanghali tsaka hapon. So, I decided to come with Rahad like around 6 in the evening. So, later guys ulit, pakita ko sa inyo ha. Salamat. Subscribe na kayo, like and share. So, yun guys, meron din ditong playground for kids. Yeah, it's like Bermuda grass na. So yan guys, nagpa-play sila rito. May swing, may slides, may climbing area. Ayan, for the kids. Ayan o. Tapos may giant slides din sila rito. Ayan. Tapos ito yung slides. Ang ganda rito guys, may enjoy ng mga kids. See? It's making round. Ayan guys yung basketball court. Mga Pinoy yung naglalaro. So what else we can see here? What is this? Huh?
which one
Water coming?
they have water
Really? Try?
but
You can try? It's working. Try. Try. So guys, may poso rito. It's coming. Huh? The water will come here?
come here
Yeah, but it will come here, right? No, stop. So guys, ayun yung water o pinangkit. Ang cute naman ang poso rito. Ayan guys, so tumutulo na yung tubig na yung nila. Ayan siya. Ang galing guys, may deep well pala rito. Tapos dito guys yung bagsak ng tubig. Ayan. So nga ba nung dadaanan ng tubig dito? Ayan. So dito siya may ipon guys. Dito babagsak yung tubig. So ngayon tuyo siya kasi ang init. Rad, come here. You see guys, we have this fountain with different lights. I'll make you do it. Guys, Nancy. See guys, different colors to refresh. So what else? Kalas, finish? Only those? Huh? No more? So guys, meron din rito toilet pang lalaki. It's aircon, this one? This man, come, check. I will pick. Oh my God. Guys, dito yung CR nila aircon. Kasi sobrang init sa labas. Grabe guys, oh. See? Basang-basa kami nila. Yung CR lang. So ayan guys, nakapamasyal na kami ni Rahad dito sa may ano. So mostly playground for kids, no?
yeah
They have. And so you like here to enjoy nice view. You enjoy Rahad. It's hot, no? So where are we going, Rahad?
go back
This way? So yun guys, maliit lang pala yung Delma Park pero okay na rin. So mostly yung mga nag-workout, mga nag-jogging yung nagpupunta rito. So pabalik na kami sa bahay ni Rahat. Titingin kami kung saan kami pwede kumain na dalawa. Makapag-dinner man lang kami kahit papat. This side? I thought there. So babalik na kami. So where are we going? You want to eat rice or? We will eat rice or where we eat rice? I don't know with you. Where we eat before? Next to your building.
In my area. We
But-
go there.
But it's good there or not good? Because I think I didn't enjoy there.
They have also good one restaurant.
Which restaurant? What kind? Pakistan also?
No, Indian.
Pabalik na kami ni Rahad sa area niya. So, eto may mga mosque din dito. What is this, mall or no?
This plaza?
Ah,
I don't know.
it's like a mall. You didn't go there?
I don't know.
So may mosque din dito, guys. Which was this number? Going.
One more service.
So Rahad is here, guys. It's too hot, sweating like you take shower. So I lose weight because of this sweating. See? So next time you will visit me, because now I visit. Hopefully, guys, on my next vlog we can go to Green Ball,
Yeah.
snow. Yeah, we will make the snow, or we will use the butterfly garden. Check butterfly garden in TikTok. You will see how beautiful this tourist place. So yun guys, medyo malayo-layo rin yung nilakad namin. So talagang alay lakad itong ginawa namin ni Rahad. So first time ko napunta rin sa Delma. I think yung Delma Park na yun, nadadaanan ko na siya dati. Pero first time ko siyang nakita. So ang daming nag-ano dito guys, mga nag-walking saka running sa area na to. So kakain muna kami ni Rahad ng dinner. Tignan ko kung ano yung pwede namin makain doon. So at least ngayong off ko may nagawa akong something. May mapanood ako sa inyo dito sa Abu Dhabi kung ano yung mga makikita nyo rito sa area ni Rahad. See guys. This is Rahad's area. May plaza rin dito guys. So ang ganda ng ano niya. This tree.
Pakistani tree.
Really?
Yeah.
What you call that one?
Kikar.
Huh?
Kikar.
Kikar. See guys, ang kapal nung ano niya. Yan yung isa sa mga punong gusto ko rito. One of the nice tree I see here in UAE. This,
Pakistani breed.
okay. What you call that?
Kikar.
Kikar. It's nice, no?
Yes, nice.
You can rest under the tree, no?
Yeah.
When it's hot, you go there, then
It's cool.
covered, yeah, covered by the leaves. So guys, tatawid lang kami ni Rahad. Yeah. So yan guys, wait lang kami ni Rahad. Anong oras mag-i-stop tong? You enjoy the weather? Huh? Wait, Rahad. Still red. I don't want to get fine. See guys, we cross over the street. So yun guys, yun lang yung only those things you can see there in Delma. Yeah. But it's okay. It's better to go during the winter, no?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Too much crowd that time.
Because now the weather is hot.
Yeah.
Still
Whole
summer.
night people is sitting over there. Winter up 15. This month finished, then much people come.
Yeah. So I think next month will be more. Yeah. So guys, please subscribe to my channel and follow Rahad's TikTok. What's
Yes.
your TikTok? Invite
Mr.
them.
Dubai, official one.
Mr. Dubai official.
One.
No, one number or one word?
One number.
Number one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyone search in the TikTok, Mr. Dubai official one, my account coming.
Yeah. So follow him.
Then
Use the microphone to invite your kabayan and continue.
hi everyone. I just asking to you when you see my friend vlog. First, you come my friend vlog, then check. Very good vlog, very good view, and we too much, now weather is much hot. Then we also make vlog. Why? Because see you. Then please support my friend. He want to your support. Subscribe, like, and watching vlog. Inshallah, you will enjoy sharing your friends. And my TikTok account, Mr. Dubai official one. If you want to check my ID, search in TikTok, Mr. Dubai official one. Then you see my TikTok ID.
Thank you.
Thank you. Take care.
So yun guys, support nyo si Rahad sa kanyang TikTok account. Nagla-live siya. Mostly you are making live, no? Yeah. Especially this summer, no? Because we cannot go out. So what you are doing is making a live video, right?
Yeah.
So support him. Mr. Official.
Mr. Dubai official.
Mr. Dubai Official 1. Okay guys, so ito na, patawid na kami. So we are near, no?
Yeah, we are
Now-
near. Just we find here
This.
Al Mamura.
Yeah. Why expensive?
It's totally expensive. Rich people living.
So condominium.
Yeah.
Mostly condominium.
Yeah,
style.
it's very expensive.
Almamura area. Pero guys, hindi namin kayo minumura. Yung place, pangalan ng place, Almamura. Which place?
We find here
This one?
Yeah.
Dallas?
Dallas restaurant. This opposite side have bus stop.
Really? Only? No one is eating? So we can be vlog.
Yeah.
Guys, nandito kami ni Rad sa may... what is this restaurant? Dallas? Dallas restaurant. Yeah? Huh? Dallas? So this is Indian restaurant, right? So Rahad ordered this dinner combo. What's the dinner combo?
Egg fried rice and chicken 65.
Chicken Manchurian.
Chicken Manchurian.
Manchurian. Then for me, I ordered this egg fried rice, chicken Hyderabadi, 2 roti paratha. 2 paratha two paratha.
Yeah.
Roti and paratha is different or same?
Yeah, different.
Different.
Paratha like oily.
Okay.
Roti not oily.
Dried. Okay. So that's the different pala guys nung paratha tsaka nung roti. So roti is oily. Roti is with oil.
Without oil.
Without oil, then paratha
with oil.
with oil. Okay. So yun guys. So paratha they call from India, right? India. Paratha. In Pakistan, roti.
Yeah.
Okay. So yun guys, order kami ni Rahad. Then later, uwi na rin ako after nitong aming pamamasyal sa Delma Park. Sineserve na ni Kuya yung aming order. So which one is for me? This one? This one is mine? Or this one? I think this is yours. How you change?
Change. Have setting. What is this?
How? So yan guys, nag-order na kami. Ito na, sinerve na ni Kuya. So medyo ano lang pala yung portion. Tama lang, pang one person lang talaga. So wait ko na lang yung roti ko. Now not private, chef. Show me. So now I will get more likes. Yeah. So guys, naka-private pala yung TikTok account ko kaya hindi pala ako masyadong dumadami yung subscriber ko, yung followers ko sa TikTok. So ngayon, naayos na ni Rahad yung settings. Ayan. So ayan guys, na-serve na yung food namin ni Rahad. So kakain na lang kami. So, what's your food? What you call this?
Chicken manchurian.
And this, show?
Chicken curry.
Chicken curry. Then paratha bread, and fried rice. So kakain muna kami guys ni Rahad. Yeah, the curry is more tastier than Mansuri. Because here I taste the vinegar. What is this? Chicken or beef? Chicken. Guys, yun lang yung napansin ko. Medyo mainit yung restaurant nila. Hindi ganun kalamig. Thank you, Kuya. Then, my son. Huh? Nah, by hot. Then we can drink chai. Chai after.
Chai?
They have, no? So yun guys, almost tapos na kami ni Rahad. So dapat kasi babaunin ko na lang yung fried rice. Kaso mainit sa labas, so sabi ko baka mapanis. So kinain ko na lang. Shiner ko na lang kay Rahad yung half.
No have spicy.
Huh?
No have spicy.
There is. There is. So somehow guys, nabusog naman ako rito. Fried rice is good. I like the fried rice and the chicken curry. But this one not too much. So tapos na ako kumain guys. Tapos na rin si Rahad. Tatapusin ko na rito yung video guys. So happy ako na nakasama ko ulit si Rahad. So medyo mahirap talaga ngayon mag-vlog. Sobrang init kasi rito ngayon sa Abu Dhabi. So itra-try namin next time. Mag-vlog kami sa Snow Abu Dhabi and Butterfly Garden. Abangan nyo guys. Please watch for it soon. Me and Rad will go there. So, thank you for watching guys. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. Please subscribe, like, and share our video. And salamat sa pagsuporta nyo panonood ng aking vlog. So, God bless to everyone and stay safe. We love you all guys. Thank you for watching. Bye. Salamat.
Bye.
Bye. Salamat.
Salamat.
Long rest now, long rest.